Assalamu alaikum, good evening and welcome to yet another fantastic red carpet right here with Hum TV and Pond's Miracle Journey. मैं हूं अनुषा और हमेशा की तरह मैं आज आपके साथ यहाँ पे मौजूद हूँ जहाँ Pond's और Hum TV सेलिब्रेट करना चाह रहा है वो 100 ख़वातीन जिन्होंने अपने फील्ड में मार्क बनाया है। Pond's का एक बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक कैंपेन है ये जो बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहा है। हर साल की तरह इस साल भी हमारे 10 मेंटोर्स ने और Pond's ने मिल के ये काम किया है। Beautiful and the lovely Hadika Kiani with her date for tonight presenting Nade. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, madam?
I'm good.
Thank you for being here. Pond's Miracle Journey, कैसा लग रहा है?
It's a great honor for me, and I feel that, these type of platforms will encourage more women to do more in their lives. And there are a lot of women who are actually sitting in their homes and they are just wanting to do something, but they are not encouraged. So I think these kind of platforms are actually the great platforms and great opportunity for them to even think and, step forward.
Mona, tell me, Pond's Miracle Journey, you're a mentor. सबसे पहला सवाल तो ये करूँगी कि कितना मुश्किल होता है to choose your set of women?
I think it was very difficult because, you want to have women there who have done what a normal woman has not. So it's very difficult. And, and when you start looking for miracle women, you understand, उस वक्त आपको, नज़र आता है कि oh my God, I thought कि मुझे तो बहुत मुश्किल होगी to find my 10 women. But, there's such amazing women that you come across and आप कहते हो कि यार what an amazing thing Pond's has done. क्योंकि शुरू में जब miracle journey होती थी तो मैं सोचती थी, कि पहले 100 के बाद अगली 100 कैसे मिलेंगी. But I think it has been an amazing journey.
Asma, 100 women, you're also part of this journey today. कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा. I mean, I don't have words to appreciate Pond's, the way they've treated us. It's been so nice. We're literally being pampered, and we really feel really nice.
Mumal, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good.
Pond's Miracle Journey, 100 women. कैसा लग रहा है आपको आज?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I think it's a very nice platform and this way we get to know all the women who are independent and strong and वैसे पता नहीं चलता but this way we get to meet everyone.
किसी ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात की थी मुमल कि हम मीडिया के लोगों को और यहाँ वहाँ तो पहचान लेते हैं लेकिन आज उन लोगों की भी सेलिब्रेशंस हैं जो बिहाइंड द सीन्स काम करते हैं जिनके बारे में ज़्यादा हम लोग जानते भी नहीं हैं और जिनको इतना अप्रिशिएट किया नहीं जाता एक आम पाकिस्तानी मेहनती औरत. So how important is it to celebrate them as well?
I think it's as important as celebrating women who are in front of the camera. In fact, even maybe more because people don't know about the hard work that goes on behind the scenes.
इसी के साथ हमारे रेड कार्पेट का सिलसिला यहाँ पर ख़त्म होता है. आपको आवाज़ आ रही होगी शो जो है वो अंदर शुरू हो गया है. So with that we are going to end our red carpet right over here. It's been a fantastic experience. लेकिन अब चलते हैं अंदर. With that let's end this particular part of the show. We will see you next time. Take care.
ये हम जो हिज्र में दीवार और दर को देखते हैं कभी सबा को कभी नामा भर को देखते हैं. वो आए घर में हमारे खुदा की कुदरत है कभी हम उनको कभी अपने घर को देखते हैं. नजर लगे न कहीं उसके दस्ते बाजू को ये लोग क्यों मेरे जख्मे जिगर को देखते हैं. तेरे जवाहरे तरफे कुला को क्या देखें हम औजे तालाए लालो गोहर को देखते हैं. वजूद ज़न से है तस्वीर कायनात में रंग, इसी के साथ से है जिंदगी का सोज़ दरूं। ज़मीन पर वजूद मेरा नहीं फ़कत एक निशान शहवत, हयात की शाहराह पर जगमगा रही है मेरी ज़हानत। ज़मीं के रुख पर जो है पसीना तो झिलमिलाती है मेरी मेहनत। मैं आदम नौ की हम सफ़र हूँ, खुली फ़िज़ाओं में बादमा खोल कर बढ़ेगा मेरा सफ़ीना, कि जिसने जीती मेरी भरोसा भरी रिफ़ाक़त।
Adab arz hai, and a very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the second year of the Ponds Miracle Journey, an initiative by Ponds to celebrate the accomplishments of women across Pakistan and the beautiful balance they strike between their professional and their personal lives. Ladies and gentlemen, to formally welcome the Ponds Miracle Women of 2015, please join me in welcoming a miracle woman in her own right, the chairman of Unilever Pakistan, Ms. Shazia Sayyed.
As you know, the Ponds Miracle Journey celebrates the soft strength of women, their quiet resilience, and their elegant determination. Together, my dear miracle women, you perfectly represent the potential and capability of millions of Pakistani women across the country. This is really the message I want to leave with you today. Let's engage, all hands on board, and leverage our mutual strength to build a conducive environment for all women to thrive. So, Ponds Miracle Women, please add this to your to-do things list. Something tells me you'll do a good job. I think we will light a lamp for all the women to follow. Thank you.
3 दिहाई से हमें औरत के मुख्तलिफ किरदारों से महजूज करती हैं, हर किरदार औरत का अलग रूप. An illustrious career alongside being a mother of 2, and now even a proud grandmother. Sabah Hamid is chosen Ponds Miracle Mentor. Let's have a look at her miraculous women.
When you're not emotionally strong, people don't take you serious. But emotionally, you have to be strong.
For a sense of self, for a sense of individuality, which I think is very important, a woman should not be made to feel weak.
I travel for my work, local and abroad, leaving my family behind. During all this journey and all this service, my family, my husband, he supported me a lot.
I think you yourself need to be independent. Shouldn't be asking anyone for anything.
Just be nice to people and
try not to be bossy.
I believe in spending quality time with my child.
My father was very, very disciplined, very hardworking. His work ethics were amazing.
I've heard a lot of people commenting on things like, आजकल divorce बहुत common हो गया है. आजकल people are intolerant. And my comment is always like, women are not intolerant.
In today's age, women should not be financially dependent on men.
These women who have taken the step to come out and become rickshaw drivers, it takes a lot for them to take that step.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. IP lawyer by profession, Tahira's work focuses on advising on media and entertainment-related matters along with corporate affairs. ना सिर्फ ताहिरा एक बेमिसाल लॉयर है, बल्कि बतौर इमकान ट्रस्ट की डायरेक्टर, जो कि एक NGO है जो बच्चों के हुकूक के लिए काम करता है, इनका माशरे में एक बहुत ही अहम किरदार है. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at Tahira and her miracle women.
I feel even the 8 to 10 lives that I'm touching, I wish I could touch more.
My brother has been for the longest time like a dad to me.
Women generally have become more enterprising.
I feel every person, man or woman, needs to be stable, if not stable, at least doing something in their life.
If your family is very supportive, and specifically if your husband is very supportive.
I've spent 14 years without my child. I'm working to be able to give him a future that any married couple would.
My husband was in an accident. He had severe burns. And then him being in the hospital and me having to look after the house, the kids, everything, all responsibility on me.
We've seen home-based businesses actually flourishing. It's suddenly just come into the market. So many women who are specializing in so many different kinds of foods.
I just admitted 20 children with 20 mothers and 20 fathers who were supposed to come on Sundays to study. So it was a family education system.
Thank you, ladies. Moving on, Dr. Mahnaz Naveed, a renowned ophthalmologist with 19 years of experience, is on the Aga Khan faculty and also has her own private practice right here at the South City Hospital. इनके अपने professional and personal commitments के दरमियान तवाज़ुन एक मिसाल है. Her miracle workers, a team of versatile and exceptionally diligent ladies. Let's have a look.
We need to at least give something back.
It is not easy, I would say, but I would say when there is a will, there is a way.
If my husband had to give birth to 2 children and come home after being a managing director at work, to come home and then to find out has the laundry been picked up, has the cook taken off.
I think women have very hard lives. It doesn't matter how successful you are always going to be faced with that double standard.
I don't think there has been a moment where I've actually had to juggle. Yes, all working women.
I was in the middle of the night, I was breastfeeding him, and then the rush call comes from the hospital that some other child got really sick. So then I had to give him to the maid and rush to the hospital.
It's the warmth, the dedication of most of the women, and at the same time their desire to be good mothers.
Look at the majority of our population. They are working mothers, they are working in the fields.
She is educated, she is smart, she is outgoing.
One more time, thank you. रंग बातें करें और बातों से खुशबू आए. हमने कैसी कैसी आवाजें इस मिट्टी से उठी देखी, हर तरफ बहलती देखी. यहां तितलियां मुस्कुराती हैं तो गीतों में ढल जाती हैं। यहां जुगनू जब जगमगाते हैं तो रंग बन जाते हैं। एक खूबसूरत तहरीर मोमिना दुरैद की एजाज याफ्ता सीरियल जिंदगी गुलजार है से, जिसको आवाज दी है हमारी नेक्स्ट मिरेकल मेंटोर ने। प्लीज वेलकम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन द गॉर्जियस, द ग्रेसफुल एंड एक्सट्रीमली टैलेंटेड हादिका कियानी।
जिंदगी खाक न थी, खाक उड़ाते गुजरी। जिंदगी खाक न थी, खाक उड़ाते गुजरी। तुझसे क्या कहते तेरे पास जो आते गुजरी। जिंदगी खाक न थी, खाक उड़ाते गुजरी। जिंदगी दिन जो गुजरा तो किसी याद की राह में गुजरा। हो दिन जो गुजरा तो किसी याद की राह में गुजरा। शाम आई तो कोई ख्वाब सजाते गुजरी। तुझसे क्या कहते तेरे पास जो आते गुजरी। जिंदगी खाक न थी, खाक उड़ाते गुजरी।
जिंदगी गुलजार है, ये इश्क का दरबार है। किसी के गम